Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making a BLT sandwich with yummy pesto mayo. What you're gonna need is pesto and mayo, and you just mix these two up together and it makes a really great sauce for any sandwich. You can buy pesto at the store or you can even make it at home. I'm very lucky because my uncle actually makes really good pesto and he shared some with me. So Uncle Derrick, if you're watching this, thank you always for sharing your yummy pesto. Now you can't have a BLT without tomatoes, so I'm going to go and cut a few slices and then I will set the tomatoes aside with the lettuce so that when it's time to assemble our BLT, they'll be ready to go. Now for the bacon. Today I'm actually going to be testing out another method of cooking it, and I learned this through a friend. Trish, if you're watching this, thanks for sharing that tip with me. She mentioned that cooking bacon in water is supposed to help prevent the oil from splashing, and I do have that problem a lot, so I can't wait to see if this works. So all you have to do is lay your bacon in a hot pan and add water to just slightly cover it, and you're gonna allow it to just cook and the water will evaporate. And once the water evaporates, you can let your bacon start crisping up by letting it fry for a few more minutes on each side. Okay, this actually worked pretty well. I did experience just a teeny bit of splashing, but overall way less from what I normally deal with when I'm frying bacon. So really neat. Thanks again, Trish. I'm for sure gonna be cooking my bacon in water all the time now. For the bread, some people like to eat their sandwich with soft bread. Some people like it with toasted. For me, I like a little of both. So what I do is I just butter and toast the outside of my sandwich and I keep the inner part still nice and soft. All right, let's put this all together. Go ahead and spread your pesto mayo on both slices of bread. And then add your lettuce and your tomatoes. Lastly, I'm gonna add my water cooked bacon. And that's about it, guys. All you do is layer your ingredients and slap that second slice of bread on top and enjoy. This is such an easy sandwich to make, but it is filled with yummy flavors from the pesto and the bacon. I don't know about you guys, but I really like to pair up my sandwich with some chips. So today I'm gonna be enjoying my BLT with some veggie straws. And oh my goodness, guys, I discovered something new. I had some extra leftover pesto mayo and I tried dipping the veggie straw in it and it was so good. So if you have extra on hand, try it out as well and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope I inspired you or taught you something. Let me know if you try this recipe out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.